Remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment.
Mediocre crew, this weekend I'm in Portland, guys. Portland, and trust me, if you know about Portland, you know it's one of the most beautiful parishes in Jamaica. So why am I here, guys? It's my mother's birthday, and I surprised her by bringing her to this lovely villa. We are actually the only one at this villa, guys, so you know it's really special. It's away from the hustle and bustle of the city, and we're just gonna explore Portland together, guys. And she loves it so far, guys, and I know you will too. So just stick around to see all the places that we go in Portland, guys. Be a part of the No Mediocre crew and subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, movie higher. Happy birthday to you.
As bold as you think.
Blue Lagoon, and you know it's so beautiful. As I was saying before, you know, the water is just so beautiful, guys, and we're just gonna show you all of it. So just let's go. Mommy, come walk down, man. A shout out to the birthday girl. Hi. How are you doing? Come on, so we're going down to the beach right now. Just have some fun. So let's go, guys. Okay.
The first house here now belongs to the man where to season all spice. One of us good.
Belong to who?
Bowman.
Bowman.
Yeah, Bowman, yeah. And Quest Security Company.
Which one? That one? Oh, Quest Security Company.
Yeah.
Listen, people, remember first time, you know? Remember first time we used to go on school trip. Because in school, when we used to go primary school, mommy used to teach there. So we go on school trip, she has to basically come. And me say, when I'm go on the boat, like to go out in the water, when everybody has gone, you know, me can't go, you know. So me say, nah, make me go on no water. No water. And since me big, me take myself, I say, you know, me I go sailing and them something. No, sir.
This your mommy, yeah?
Right, guys, see how clear the water is? Clear and turquoise. There are some people say that the Blue Lagoon is bottomless. It was 213 feet. Yeah, 213 feet. A guy named David Lee. Yeah. He's in the Guinness World Record. Yeah? Yeah, so hear that, guys? But you see, like me, you know, me can't even chance it because I can't even swim. You know that already. So we just stay up on the raft. Come to see you jump off the safe.
You know, so that's why me just take a shot.
This is Monkey Island. Mommy, welcome to Monkey Island. I don't know what it's about Portland, but I don't know, it's just so beautiful, guys. Just look around me. Just look around me. Look at that water, guys. So I have to rep Jamaica. It's the best Caribbean island, guys. If you never come to Jamaica, you're missing out. The paradise, the best one. And you need to come to Portland and enjoy all of this right here. All of this right here. Yes, guys, this isn't a backdrop. This is real life, guys. Real life, no backdrop around here. You love taking pictures? Come on over here, guys. So, mommy, we are going to go for a swim now, right? How you liking Monkey Island?
Well, I like it.
You like Monkey Island
Yes,
so far?
but I was looking out far to see some monkeys. I was looking to see some monkey, but I guess the monkeys, you know,
They're lost.
yes, they're
So,
lost.
you enjoying your birthday so far?
Yeah.
Alright. I love you. Love you from the tip of my toe.
To the hen of your hair.
Yeah.
So guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment.
Alright, No Mediocre Crew and the rest of visitors, be a part of the No Mediocre Crew and just subscribe, guys. Your mommy says subscribe. Woo! Water warm, right? Warm and nice, man.
Yeah, they gone. Are you going to
Yeah, your summer vibes hot. The Blue Lagoon offers so much, guys. So you need to come here.
Wonderful place.
Yeah, man, for sure.
That's
Nice.
me said that.
They know the same place nice. Yeah, man.
I enjoy the raft, man, because I always afraid of going on a raft and want to see me enjoy it, how you must know.
Yeah, man, for sure. So you're not going to find her come from water like that. When you come to Portland, right, and you want to do the rafting on the Blue Lagoon, make sure, say, you ask for Macaroni. Right, Macaroni? Big up yourself.
Yeah.
All the time. Ask for Macaroni, guys. He's a great rafter, and he had a great tour guide too, because, you know, just raft, you know, he's a people person. He gives you information about the place. And come on, guys, what's a raft without some information about where you're going or what you're seeing? He's a walking Google, guys. A walking Google.
That's where you stay, guys. Stay.
Yeah, man, that's a villa up there that we stay at. Wow. Video isn't enough, guys, to show you how beautiful this place is. You have to come and see it for yourself with your own eyes. Yeah, man. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Fountain of youth. So me drink your water, me stay youthful.
It's kind of brackish, you know, but it's still good, you know, because it's coming from the mountain.
Oh.
From the mountain.
Okay.
But it broke up with this water and you kind of put up on the earth. Like inside it's brackish, but you have a little thing that runs from there. See those people are come from the mountain.
Okay.
It's fresh, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
this water makes you get like 10 years younger.
oh yeah, that's why you look so.
I'm 64. I'm last week Sunday.
Say this part is the deepest part, right?
Yeah, that part here. We pass.
Oh, the part of pass. Okay.
This is where I carry now. Is that fresh water. You know?
Fresh water.
Yeah.
So you know what gives the water this color?
This color?
Yeah.
Oh, the deposit on the bottom. The bottom of mud, you know?
Oh.
Yeah. And it's a mixture too, you know? You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a mixture of fresh and salt.
Okay. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Look at that.
Somebody call you Macaroni.
Yeah, yo. I want to. Yeah, Joe. Sometimes you have to take a rest, you know? Yeah, you build up back the body again. When you come stronger.
So beautiful. Oh my goodness. You don't get tired of that job, your macaroni? You don't get tired of this job? So your Muslim supposed to be big in your arms.
Yeah.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the waste.
enjoy your time, alright?
Yes, man, I enjoyed it.
Alright, what about the staying in Portland that you like the most?
What about?
Portland that you enjoy the most?
Well, I enjoyed
The rafting.
the rafting. Oh my God.
Yeah, man. So as I said, people, you have to come to Portland. You know, it was fun, and as I said, you know, every good thing must come to an end. And I'm just happy that Mummy come and she enjoyed herself. So guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. All right. Let's see you on the next video.